Alright, so I had question number 3, which asked, which property increases with increasing atomic number for both the alkali metals and the halogens? Well, first, to answer this question, you can just make a chart to easily answer this question. And you know that the alkali metals are group number 1, and the halogens are group number 17, which is the extreme right of the periodic table, and alkali metals are extreme left. And so, if you look at the charts and the trends for the ionization energies, as you go down the alkali metal group, ionization energies decrease, and for the halogens, they also decrease. However, this doesn't work with the question because they're asking which property increases. So ionizations doesn't work, as ionization energies don't work. And for melting points, for the alkali metals, they tend to decrease, and with the halogens, they tend to increase as you go down the groups. And so melting points, since they both don't increase, this doesn't work. And for electronegativities, for the alkali metals, they tend to decrease, and for the halogens, they tend to decrease also. Again, they're both decreasing. Electronegativities doesn't work. And the last one's atomic radii. For the alkali metals, it tends to increase, and for the halogens, it also tends to increase. So atomic radii is the answer. That's what we're looking for, which is choice number D. And it makes sense because the more electrons, as the atomic number increases, the more electrons you have to fill up more shells, and the more shells you have, which of the surrounding the nucleus, that shows how big that radii gets, getting bigger and bigger. So it makes sense. So the more electrons you have, the more shells you have to fill up, and so therefore the answer is D.